Looking for the best wood router in 2026? We tested and ranked the top 5 wood routers based on power, precision, durability, and value. Perfect for woodworking, carpentry, DIY projects, and home workshops. All product links are in the description box below.
Number 1. DeWalt Compact Router. This wood router might be at the higher end of the spectrum when it comes to price, but it backs it up with some of the best and the most advanced specs. With its 1.25 horsepower motor, it is capable of accomplishing even the toughest woodworking projects. That's why it's at the top of our list. You can get the best control over it with its variable speed control function. It has a soft starting motor function that enables a more consistent speed while working. The DeWalt DWP611PK allows you to optimize the speeds of the bit to suit the material you are working on, thanks to its variable speed control. The speed range of this router is from 16,000 to 27,000 RPM. The 7-amp motor also has a soft start feature, and this feature prevents the tool from going to maximum immediately you switch it on. It also has full-time electronic feedback that helps to maintain the speed of the motor and increase its durability and performance. The DeWalt DWP611PK router is undoubtedly one of the best woodworking routers on the market thanks to its dual functionality. You can use this tool as a fixed or plunge-based router. With a standard base, the bit depth travel of this tool is 1.5 inches, while the depth travel is up to 2 inches with a plunge base. It comes with dual LED lights to brighten up your workpiece and provide you with more visibility. The DeWalt DWP611PK comes with an adjustable ring that allows for bit changes to within 1/64 inches. Since it is a 2-in-1 tool, that you can switch easily and quickly between plunge and fixed base. Number 2. Bosch Palm Router. Next on our list of favorite routers is the Bosch PR20 EVS. If you're looking for an inexpensive router, this should be a good choice. It is inexpensive, but it still delivers when it comes to good specs and quality structure. This fixed-base router delivers 5.6 amps of motor power. It has a variable speed setting and a precise bit depth adjustment system. The exterior is made from durable aluminum material. It can last you long-term. If you're looking for the best wood router that you can use to work for a very long time without feeling fatigued, then you should consider this tool. It is super lightweight and compact, as it weighs just 3.3 pounds. It is the lightest on our list. The impressive 5.6 amp motor also delivers variable speed of 16,000 to 35,000 RPM. This wood router is convenient and it allows for free workflow thanks to its angled cord exit that keeps the power cord out of the way when working. It is also known for its durability thanks to its rugged aluminum base. It gives you precision and stability as you work. It comes with a brilliantly designed quick clamp system that allows you to adjust the motor easily or move it from base to base. You can also do a micro and macro adjustment with this tool thanks to its precise and fast depth adjustment system. It is also a highly versatile option as it allows for easy and quick bit changes using a spindle lock and a wrench or two. Number 3. Makita Compact Router. If you have some more money to spare, go for this tool developed by a reputable brand, Makita. Known for their quality tools, this brand ensures the best equipment for all your DIY needs. This Makita router comes with a variable speed control dial to help you find the best settings suitable for your specific project. It has a rack and pinion fine depth adjustment system that will allow you to get the most precise results. The unit itself handles well, is compact and ergonomically designed. You can operate this router without suffering from hand fatigue. It even has a quick-release cam lock system for a more effective adjustment of bit depth. You can also release and change the base with ease. This wood router comes with a 6.5 amp motor that delivers variable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 30,000 rotations per minute. This range is ideal for any wood routing job. It is also versatile as it accepts industrial standard template guides. It comes with a soft start feature that makes the motor start up smoothly. With this feature, your router will not start at full power as soon as you switch it on. The electronic speed control feature is also there to ensure the motor keeps steady under load. You can also remove the base quickly and easily to install other bases. Changing bits with this router is very easy thanks to its shaft lock feature. For easy penetration, the Makita RT0701CX3 has a plunge depth capacity of 1 3/8 inches. For enhanced performance and handling, this tool features a high visibility base design. Number 4. Hitachi Router. The 11-amp motor can help you achieve cuts that will require more control and precision. Precise depth adjustment is made easy thanks to its 2-stage motor release clamp. You can maintain a stable pace as you work. Unlike other routers, this one produces relatively lower noise levels. The 11-amp tool delivers up to 2.25 horsepower for controlled, precise cuts. It has an electronic speed control feature that helps to maintain a constant speed even when the load varies. It is designed to generate less noise, as the noise level is only 79.5 decibels. The package includes half-inch collet chuck, 1/4-inch collet chuck, template guide adapter, 16mm wrench, 23mm wrench, 4mm hex bar wrench, sub-base plate, HD bolt 10 pieces, and a carrying case. This wood router is also great for making fine grooves, trimming, shaping, chamfering, and cutting patterns. The variable speed range of this wood router is from 8,000 to 24,000 rotations per minute. Being a highly versatile router, it accepts half-inch and 1/4-inch bits. This means you can use it with any bit set. It also features an ergonomic design that makes it very easy and comfortable to handle. It's a 2-in-1 tool. It's a combo kit that allows you to switch between the fixed and plunge base easily. The plunge base weighs only 9.9 pounds, while the fixed base weighs only 7.3 pounds. As a bonus, the plunge base comes with a fine depth adjustment knob for more precision and depth control. All in all, an awesome tool. Now, if only it had some form of dust collection system. Number 5. Bosch Wood Router. Our last wood router review is on another Bosch product. That is because the Bosch 1617 EVSPK is one of the best wood routers on the market, and it is the #1 choice of many woodworkers. This Bosch model is also known for its great performance and versatility. It comes in handy from doing bit plunge cuts to laminate cutting, edge forming, and even slot cutting. You can use it to handle a wide range of projects thanks to its versatility. When it comes to performance, this router's 12 amps of power delivers more than enough power and torque to handle the toughest jobs with ease. It is also one of the most heavy-duty ones out there, thanks to its aluminum construction. It comes with both fixed and plunge bases. The plunge base has soft grip, ergonomically designed handles, while the fixed base has wooden handles. These help to maximize user control, and they also make the tool very easy and comfortable to hold. It is designed with several user-friendly features, including a constant rotation per minute, which allows you to focus on your project and not worry about holding down the activation trigger. Included in the package are 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch collet chucks, collet nut wrench, shaft wrench, chip shields, and a carrying case. It features variable speed control from 8,000 to 25,000 rotations per minute.